As you can see on our temperatures, we've cooled off tonight. Under clear skies, we're down to 77 degrees, 80 along the coast, and seawater temperature warm at 84. That's a high number for October, but we are going to see that come crashing down with two cold fronts Thursday night and Sunday night coming up. So the weather story is above normal temperatures through Thursday night until that first front gets here. And then it'll continue to be mainly dry. We'll see a little bit of rain with each front, but not enough to put a dent in our dry spell that we have now that's carried our deficit for the year to about 4 inches. The moderate cold front happens late Thursday night. A stronger one comes in. That's what the asterisk is there for Sunday night. That's the one that'll put us down in the low 50s and challenge for the lowest temperature so far this season. Of course, back on the first of the month, we had that 51 record-setting lows. Cool nights, though, will be generally in the 60s with this first front, and that'll be nice. Tonight, 77 right now. We'll be dropping to 71 in the middle of the night with very light winds, and we'll see some light fog start to form as we drop into the upper 60s and drop below the current dew point temperature, and the moisture will be squeezed out when that happens with these nearly non-existent winds. So the visibility forecast goes from about 10 miles now down to 1 mile around 4 a.m., and then it'll slowly pick up after daybreak, but still quite a bit of fog out there. And so remember that if you're traveling early. System down in the Caribbean is going to encounter some wind shear, but it does show some signs of development tonight east of the Leeward and Windward Islands. Low chance of development at this time. I'm not concerned about it because of these frontal systems that have been coming into the region. In fact, the big one that came in that produced that 51-degree temperature about 10 days ago, a little bit more than that. Well, that was because of dry northwesterly winds aloft, and with these parade of cold fronts on the map now headed to the east-southeast, the upper level winds are out of the northwest, and so that prevents anything in the Gulf from coming to the Texas coast, and that's why Delta last week made that hard right turn into Louisiana and weakened as it came ashore. So we have nothing to worry about. Our hurricane season ended here in the coastal bend on the 28th of September. Look at the amplitude of the jet stream by Friday. So this front does have some punch to it, and it gets stronger as we go into the weekend. So once that next impulse comes through, we're going to see some pretty chilly temperatures here next week. So here's the first front. Again, it'll be through here by 11 o'clock on Thursday. Notice the cold air, it's in retreat for the weekend, so it warms up again over the weekend before the second one comes in on Sunday night and Monday, and that cold air comes straight south into South Texas. A little bit of moisture out ahead of it will produce a little bit of rain, but we'll call it just straight isolated. You can see it right in here. This is at 5:15 in the morning on Friday, so more of the rain out west of the city between Laredo and George West, Beeville area. And then by Sunday evening, we're drying out again across most of the region. So the future clouds and rain, you can see a morning fog quickly giving way to afternoon sunshine. We'll do it again here on Thursday morning with the sunshine returning. The potential rainfall is not much. Through Thursday night, there's nothing. And then we pick up a few hundredths of an inch in some spots here by the time we get to Friday. So here are the very light winds across the region, and they will be with us for the next couple of days. 68 degrees will be the low temperature here tonight with a day planner that has us at 69 in the morning with some fog, 84 and sunny and pleasant at noon, and 86 at 5 p.m. The high tomorrow reaches 91 degrees with 92 on Thursday. Then we return to fall here for Friday and Saturday. Lows in the 60s, highs in the 70s and 80s. Sunday it warms up and then much cooler here with a high of just 72 a week from today, Lee, and a morning low of 51.
That's looking good, Dale.